Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear student. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Sallallahu ala Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Once again, you are welcome on Sufa e-learning platform. Inshallah, today we are going to learn another very important topic, that is clauses. Clauses topic is very important. A number of types of question can be asked on that topic. So first of all, I will try to explain you first type of question. A sentence will be given to you, inshallah, and you will be asked only identify the clauses. Identify the clauses. When you are asked identify the clauses, you need to identify which is main clause and which is subordinate clause, and it is also very easy question. You know, whenever any sentence is given to you, you just try to locate the connector connecting the clauses. Suppose I write here, I know where she lives. Second sentence, when he will come is not certain. Third sentence, the man who lives here is my friend. Now the question is identify the clauses. That means you need to identify which is main clause and which is subordinate clause. So the easiest way, try to find the connector. So in this sentence, I know where she lives, the connector is where. Now listen to me very carefully. The part of the sentence that is connected to the connector or that is ahead the connector, that is called subordinate clause, and the remaining part is called main clause. So here where she lives is subordinate clause because she lives is connected with the connector where. It will be called subordinate clause, and the remaining clause, that is I know, is main clause. So how to write? In your examination you write main clause, which is also called principal clause, and write here I know. Below it you write subordinate clause, and below it you write, and after it you write where she lives. So your main clause will be I know, and subordinate clause will be where she lives. Sometime this simple question is asked for 1 mark, and sometime this question is asked for half marks, and sometime 1 mark. So very important question. Let us analyze the second sentence. When he will come is not certain. Now what is the connector? Very good, you are right, the connector is when. And what is the part of the sentence connected to the connector, or what is the part of the sentence coming ahead the connector? When he will come. So it will be called subordinate clause, and the remaining is not certain will be called main clause. So you will write is not certain here in the main clause. When he will come, you will write here in the SC, means subordinate clause. Let us see the next sentence. The man who lives here is my friend. What is the connector here? Very nice. The connector is who. And what is the part of the sentence connected to the connector? Where he lives. So it will be subordinate clause. What is remaining? Man is my friend. So here man is my friend will be written in the main clause part. Who lives here will be written here in SC part. So we have seen here subordinate clause can come in the end of the sentence. Subordinate clause may come in the beginning of the sentence. It is also possible for subordinate clause to come in between the sentence. So these three positions it is possible. Now I speak certain sentences. You identify which is main clause, which is subordinate clause. Although I am poor, I am honest. She is taller than I thought. The car which you bought yesterday is very famous, popular. I know what you want to ask. How you did it is a mystery. I hope you understand the topic, inshallah. In the next video, we will see another topic, that is how to identify, how to name different types of clauses. Till then, Jazakallah for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.